Today in this video we will learn about how to integrate Webmail email accounts with Gmail interface. When it comes to checking your emails regularly, checking your emails via Webmail becomes quite complex. So for that, log into your Gmail account, go to Add Another Email Address section. In order to set up your outgoing email address, just enter the email address here and click on the next step. Now go to email accounts of your cPanel and then check the email criteria of the email that you have already created. These are the credentials which will be required in the further steps. Now enter those values whatever you have created during the creation of email ID in Webmail. Now the outgoing portion of your Webmail is connected successfully. But before going ahead, you must verify it by using the verification code which is sent to your Gmail. Now enter the copied verification code and paste it here. Now while composing the email, another option pops out. For incoming mail configuration, you can click on Add a Mail Account. Enter the email ID and then click on Next. Now again click on Next. Enter all your credentials that you have created while creation of your email accounts. Now an extra email address is displayed successfully below Inbox section.